Hello, thank you for tuning in. Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm gonna test out the iPhone 11 Pro. Is it good enough in 2022 to take some good photos at night? I'm gonna test it out and I'm using the night mode. Is it wide? That was some pretty nice reflection shots. A good tip if you are gonna take reflection shots with your phone, try to turn the phone upside down so you can get the lens close to the puddle. A good tip is to use puddles where the street lights is shining in it so you can get these colorful, nice reflections. So look after that when you're out. I like to go as close as possible to the puddles, and yeah, here you can see how I do it. I turn my phone upside down, the lens is close to the puddle. So if you're wondering how can I turn on the night mode on the phone, you go to the camera and then you go to the left corner and there you will see a moon sign. Then you just click on the moon sign icon and you are on night mode. Then you can take photos and they will get so sharp at nighttime. It's not enough to just turn on the night mode, you must keep your phone steady to get the sharpest images as possible. So, what do you think? Do you think the iPhone 11 Pro is good enough for taking photos out at night in 2022? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear what you think and what phone you are using. Do you take photos with your phone or do you just use a camera? I use both. And I love to use my phone when I'm looking for some nice fast shots. I also use the phone to collect new photo spots. So when I'm out looking for new spots where I can take my professional camera and do shoots, I take the photo with the phone and then I can see on the map where I went so I can go back and shoot. If you are now wondering how you get the locations on your photos, I will tell you in the next steps. First you need to make sure that you have activated the location tag on your phone. And this is how you find the location on your photos. I really hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, leave a comment below and considering hitting that bell to get notified when I push out a new video. And until next time, enjoy!